Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's topic is what is a rejection block? Many of you know a rejection block, but you don't know that it's a rejection block. Um if you had watched this video swing points, you understand how swing points are being created, right? Now, we know that market does higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, like that, right? Now, a rejection block is the candle that has the longest wick. You see a body of a candle like this here, like a swing point, and you see a long candle. Sorry, you see a very long wick that will just come down here. Many of you have seen that kind of thing before in your charts, like an impulsive move. You see a very long candle just come down there. The market will now continue in its direction like this, and market continues. Now, if you want to mark your analysis, your top down analysis, you just mark this whole candle as an order block. Sometimes some people tell you to measure the wick from the high to the low. You measure the wick also from the high to the low, and you mark out 50% of the wick. It all depends on how you mark your wick. But that candle that has the longest wick, that whole wick is called a rejection block. That whole wick is called a rejection block. It goes also for a sell momentum, and it goes also for a bearish momentum. It's something that you know, but because you don't know the name, but you see things like this and you wonder why markets will get to an order block, and instead of touching an order block, it just come deep inside here and pull up. The candle that has that long wick that used to be long, this is what they call a rejection block. Now, it's very hard to find one in the chart. I was able to get one here. You can see an example here of a rejection block. This is an example of one. You can see one here, right? It's kind of not that hard to find. I can mark this on a rejection block also. Also, this is not a total analysis, just an example showing you how a rejection block look like. This is a rejection block, long wick. You can see one here. This is a rejection block also. You see how long the wick is, right? Like a three candle sequence, like a swing point, but it's a rejection block. That is a rejection block. And see market rejected. It came into the wick before it came down. Majority of you would have marked this whole thing as order block, right? Which are not wrong. But you can see market came for what? The rejection block. If you go around your chart and practice it, with time you'll be able to know where a rejection block is. Sometimes you mark analysis and market will just go for the wick instead of the main order block. That is a rejection block. This is a rejection block here. You can see this here. It was liquidated, but you can see this is a rejection block. You can see that this is the full wick that came out here, and what happened? Markets pulled up. Just go around your charts and calm down to find a rejection block. They always come with a very long wick. They always come with a very long wick. Market always go for the wick instead of the body. This is a rejection block here. Market went for the what? Let me put it down very well. Market went for the wick, a very long wick, but it's not long enough though, but it's always very long. You can see it, right? So I hope this video was impactful. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel for more content loaded in the future, and ask a question in the comment section. Thank you so much.